Hi everyone! There are times you want to make some fried rice and then you realize you don't even have any leftover rice. But I have a solution for you. If you have a cauliflower, we're gonna make a cauliflower rice. So let's do it! So after I wash and dry my cauliflower, so let's start by cutting it into small pieces. Okay? For this recipe, we'll be using food processor to chop our cauliflower. So we'll pause it for 6 or 7 times only. But if you don't have a food processor, you can always use blender. Okay, guys? I have a small food processor, so when I put the cauliflower, I do it batch by batch. So when you pulse it, I think I pulse only like 6 times in each of the batch. Alright guys? Okay, make sure you don't over chop it because you don't want like mush cauliflower. So yeah, so don't over chop it. So I was able to make like 5.5 cups for that one cauliflower, but I'm using only 4 cups for this recipe. We'll also be adding some of these veggies like broccoli, carrots, onion, garlic, and some spring onion, alright? Let's mince our garlic first and then chop the onion and then dice the carrots. The last thing we have to chop here is the broccoli and cut it into small pieces, alright guys? I'm only going to use half of the broccoli, so I'm going to cut it in the very small pieces as you can see here. So this broccoli will give colors on this dish and it's look pretty and added also the flavor. It's delicious, guys. Okay, we're done cutting and chopping our veggies, so we're now ready to cook our cauliflower fried rice. To season our cauliflower fried rice, we'll be using 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, and half teaspoon of dark soy sauce. We're also going to be adding ground pepper to later on once we're cooking it. Alright guys? In terms of the seasoning, you can adjust it based on your taste. Alright? Okay, let's start to heat our pan in medium-high heat, and then we'll add some olive oil. 1 tablespoon will be okay, and then we'll saute the onion and garlic. All right. Now we can add the carrots, and then afterwards we going to add the broccoli. Okay, and then the next one will be the cauliflower, and we'll season it afterwards. All right. You'll notice here how tiny I cut the broccoli because I want that veggies to stand out once I mix it with the cauliflower. Time to add our cauliflower, so yeah, we can mix that and saute it more, and then we can add the soy sauce. Make sure don't overcook it because you don't want to make this dish mushy. You want it fresh and delicious, of course. So after a few minutes of stir frying it, you'll have to taste it to make sure the cauliflower is cooked, and then add a little bit of black pepper or a little bit of salt based on your taste if you wanted to add some more seasoning. Okay guys? You also will notice here that I didn't dump my soy sauce 1 time, so I put half of the mixture first and then I saute it and then taste it, and then once I need more, then that's the time I put them all together so that at least I can control the taste and the saltiness of this cauliflower fried rice. So after I taste it, I think I need to add all the rest of the seasoning, the soy sauce. So I added them all, and I think after that it really tastes good. So I'm done. And few more minutes, and then let's say a minute or two, and then I'm done. So this is already cooked. Yay, we're done cooking. So this is the fried rice, which is very healthy and very delicious and rich with a lot of minerals and vitamins. Here it is, guys. The best alternative of fried rice is a cauliflower fried rice. So it's very healthy and delicious, and it has so many vitamins and minerals. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. So I wish you can try it, guys. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you to all the new subscribers on my channel. Thank you so much for all your support, and also for all the viewers on my channel. Thank you very, very much. So I see you around in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.